So before we get into the details of co-transcriptional capping, let's start by thinking about what the cap does in an mRNA molecule. So mRNA as a molecule is incredibly unstable, and to ensure that it isn't broken down really rapidly within the cell, you put a cap structure onto the front of it. And for a visualization effect, think about it as the front bumper in a car. It's really there, it has many functions, but one of its primary functions is to ensure that it's keeping the RNA stable. And it's really important to note that if an mRNA didn't have a cap, it would be degraded so quickly it wouldn't be able to function as a vaccine or as a therapeutic. But getting into more details about co-transcriptional capping, it's an incredibly elegant, simple way to add that all-important cap to the front of your mRNA molecule as you're manufacturing it, so that at the end of the manufacturing process, you have a fully capped, fully mature mRNA molecule that's ready to be used as a therapeutic.